Solitaire Cash and Mistplay use completely different reward models. Solitaire Cash lets eligible players compete in cash tournaments, while Mistplay rewards mobile gaming with redeemable rewards such as gift cards. By the end, you'll know which one has the higher cash potential, how quickly each one pays, and which app makes more sense if you don't want to deposit money. The short answer is Solitaire. Cash has the higher direct cash potential, while Mistplay is the lower risk option for free rewards gauge. Here's the difference. Solitaire Cash is a competitive solitaire game. Cash tournaments are based on player skill, and each game lasts 5 minutes. Finishing early can earn bonus points, so speed matters alongside your score. Solitaire Cash 20. You can also play without depositing. Solitaire Cash provides free gems and a free roll tournament, and gems can be used to earn bonus cash for eligible cash tournaments. Bonus cash itself isn't withdrawable, but winnings generated through eligible bonus cash play can include withdrawable funds. Solitaire Cash. Too soon. The trade-off is that cash tournaments can involve entry fees. Solitaire Cash also says withdrawals are processed within 114 days, although players usually receive funds within 82 business days after processing. A minimum withdrawal amount and processing fee can also apply. Solitaire Cash 3. Now compare that with Mistplay. Mistplay is a rewards platform rather than a cash tournament game. You install supported games through Mistplay, play them, reach checkpoints, and earn units. Those units can then be exchanged for available rewards. In Mistplay, support for a yen. Mistplay is free to use, so there's no cash entry fee just to start earning. Its current reward options include brands such as Amazon, Walmart, Visa, and PayPal, although available rewards vary by region. Mistplay 5T. Mistplay also has a 2-hour daily earning cap for a single game. Once you hit that limit, you need to switch games if you want to continue earning GXP from gameplay. Mistplay supporting 6. So which pays more? If you mean potential direct cash from competitive gameplay, Solitaire Cash is the better fit because it offers cash tournaments. If you mean earning rewards without risking an entry fee, Mistplay has the clearer advantage. Your best next step is simple. Use Solitaire Cash's free competitions first if you want to test competitive earnings. Use Mistplay if you'd rather play free mobile games and build rewards without paying tournament entry fees. Neither should be treated as guaranteed income. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.